There is an opportunity. Fakhar Zaman. Oh, beautiful! It needed an effort like this to break the partnership, and it had to be the man himself, the captain Fakhar Zaman, taking a blinder. Magnificent.
Yeah, chance created, no problems with the front foot over there, and this time Faik looking to go big once again. Just have a look at him. And Fakhar Zaman, flying Fakhar on this occasion, and takes it with both hands. A wonderful diving technique, and he holds on to it till the very end to send Faik, but who was starting to look dangerous. Now he's going back to the hut.
To Dogra, he goes straight into the hands. Fantastic captaincy by Fakhar Zaman. He had that feeler up in the circle, and Dogra wanted to clear it, could manage it to straight in his hand. Fantastic Fakhar Zaman and Shahab, both of them.
Yeah, he wanted the batter to go across, so he bowled the ball with a different angle, going towards the off stump, which is his natural angle, and the batter trying to go against the angle, mistiming one, and good by the captain that he kept the mid-on up, enticed the batter to go over him, and in the process Imran Dogar losing his wicket. And this might be an easy one, and yes it is. The ball stopping on Tayyib Tahir, who was in no position, and he was surprised by the bounce, and in the end just lobbing one back to the bowler, who takes it. Shahab, brought back for this very purpose, has struck twice in the same over.
Yeah, one brings two. How many times we have seen that? Again, there are patches where the ball holds up just a little, and that's exactly where he bowled. And that's what I said, whenever the captain is in trouble, he goes to this man, and he delivers one more time for the captain, for the team, gets a couple of wickets. Tayyib Tahir scoring 2, it's 127 for 4.
और बॉल कर दिया है, एक और कामयाबी मिल जाएगी। ये शानदार बॉलिंग का सिलसिला जारी है शहाब की जानिब से, और इस बार कप्तान को टिकाने लगाया और एक और विकेट हासिल की यहां पर एबटाबाद के लिए।
बिल्कुल मिस कर गए इस बॉल की लेंथ को। शहाब ने बड़ी जबरदस्त बॉलिंग की है इस ओवर में, और इस मर्तबा फुल पिच बॉल कराई थी, जिसको कंप्लीटली रीड ना कर सके और क्रॉस बैटेड शॉट खेल गए। स्लोअर वन था, बाहर निकला बॉल और लेग साइड की जानिब खेलना चाहते थे।